Hi everyone, welcome to Run Run Deals. Go to Run Run Deals to get the deal on this awesome towel rack. Made out of very strong material. Nice solid metal material. The rack itself is nice and sturdy. And the hooks, super nice little hooks. Comes with the hardware and directions. So, I'm going to put this together and go hang. Okay, I've got it all put together. Took me a couple minutes, just 2 screws here, 2 screws here. And now this is going to go in this will be the wall. This will go right up against the wall. Comes with hardware, real simple. It's a very sturdy towel rack. And I'm going to go install it right now. To install it, it just simply takes 4 screws, 2 in the top and 2 in the bottom. It's real simple. It comes with all the hardware you need, and you just put the 2 screws in the top and put the 2 in the bottom, and that's about it. It's very simple, easy to put up. We can hang more towels. They're easy to access. Very nice.